This is a new set of Philips 383 which has come to me yesterday, and my client says that this set is completely dead. So this is the outer look of this set. Now I will open this top cover and let's see inside. This is how it looks inside. As you can see, this is a mono set. It is having one volume control and tone control, the arm, and at the same time the platter. You can see that this is the platter. Here is the spring lies, which we have to just push in the left hand side, and we have to just remove this platter from the body. Now it's so far as the aesthetic beauty is concerned, it's a wonderful set and it's in a very good condition, nothing damaged physically. So let's give power to it. So I'm giving power to it and let's check. Yes, I have given the power. The light is glowing only. Platter is not moving, nothing happening. So in true sense, my client has said the right thing. The set is completely dead. So we need to open the set and check one by one what are the things that gone for which the set is not working. So let's go inside of it. This is the inside of this set. As you can see, it is very dirty. It's very natural. It has been not used for a long time, maybe. And you can see this is the battery loading option, battery loading case. This is a transformer, this is a DC motor, and this is the amplifier unit and the motor driving unit. This section actually amplifies the signal and also gives a regulated power supply to this motor. As because the platter is not moving, that means the motor is also not working. So a thorough checkup need to be done whether this motor is got damaged or something else has happened. So we need to check one by one. First of all, I have to clean this surface because as you can see, there is a lot of dust and the spiders home. I think this was one of the spiders' good home once upon a time. So I have to first clean it up properly with a brush so that I can see every section of this set. This is, I am zooming now, and this is the amplifier unit. You can see lot of cleaning need to be done. This is the amplifier unit and the regulator unit also for the DC motor. So let's first clean it. It looks like after cleaning. Now I have to disassemble this unit, this one, to check all the components along with this motor because it's not moving. So I have to check all the components one by one and figure out what are the components which are not working in this set. So let's go. The amplifier board and the power regulator board for the motor. Once I checked all these components one by one, I found that this inductance is not working. So this has gone. So I need to replace this one. At the same time, all electrolytic capacitors are needed to change, as you can see. And there are some PF type capacitors like this one, this one, this one. These are when I am measuring the components, they are showing more or less correct values, but these are physically somehow broken up to some extent. So these are need to be changed because in long run these will be broken, and once this will be broken, the value may get changed because when the voltage comes to these caps, it reacts with that voltage. So physically damaged capacitor is not good at all for any circuit. So these caps need to be changed. Whatever the caps, PF type caps we are having, we need to replace, and all the electrolytics need to be replaced. At the same time, this inductor coil is gone, so these need to be replaced. And when I check this motor, I saw that this is also not moving, so these also need to be replaced, or somehow these need to be somehow I have to do something so that this get run, but this assembly cannot be opened, so it's very tough to repair it. So hopefully I will search for a new one. This is right now the situation of this set. So a lot of work need to be done to make this set run once again. As you can see now, I have correctly installed this feedback wire from this volume control. This should be installed here, which was earlier open. So now this circuit is complete. Now it's time to check and start a play run to check whether the platter is moving correctly or not, and also at the same time the amplifier is working perfectly or not. This is the time to test run the motor and the other unit. So let's check. I have turned the arm in the right side, but the motor is not moving. I can see that the power is on. Indicator is showing that the power is on, but the motor is not moving. So I am ejecting it. Again, let's try. No, it's not working. So after installing the new motor also, it is not working perfectly, though I have checked all the voltages are okay and the motor should work in a proper manner. So I need to check, as you can see, this switch, because this switch actually helps the motor to run when I turn this arm in the right side, and this switch get released, as you can see, when I put the arm here, or it comes at the end of the record. So issue is with this switch, so I have to repair this switch also. Let's check. So I have to open this switch and repair it so that it should work properly. Now after the repairing completion of the switch, now let's check. As you can see, the motor is moving. It's working perfect. As you can see that it is now working as it should have been. So this switch is now working perfect, and the platter issue, I believe, resolved. Now you can see that all the components which were earlier faulty or damaged, that has been changed and replaced with original ones, and this is now how it looks like after the complete restoration of this set. And this is the amplifier and the power supply unit. As you can see, all the old ones are changed, replaced where those are necessary. And now I will put the back cover into it, and we'll go for a final testing of the performance of this set. So after the completion of the restoration of this set, the last one remaining with the speed and the arm connection, when I was putting this arm here, the platter was not moving. That has been solved. Now it's time for final checkup of this set and its performance. So let me put a record on it. I will put a record of Sargam film and play one of the song for some seconds to check the performance of this set. This is the inbuilt speaker, it's a mono set which I have connected with this set, and now I will play. Now it's time to play this record and check the set's performance.
डफली बजा डफली बजा मेरे घुंघरू बुलाते हैं हाँ मैं नाचूं तू नचा
As you can see that it is working perfectly and playing this record in an excellent manner. So this is the end of my experience of working with this 383 set. I hope you all enjoyed, and we'll come back with another new set, with another new set's experience. Take care. Goodbye.